are in there. Right, today's job, demolition job today. We're taking this down, getting rid of it all. This pillar's coming down. That's coming down. Brick and a half pillar, single skin, and then this is going to be roughly, I think, one step in this. And this is going to be the grey abbey stone, and then going across here. Same here, demolish, rebuild, again with the grey abbey stone bricks, same height, nice little job. We'll get cracking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Have to tie into that one, aren't we?
Bluebirds?
Yeah, a couple of bluebirds in. I might get a long bluebird tie as well and tie into that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll strengthen everything up then, won't it?
Good thinking.
The way that's wobbling.
Yeah.
That's a lot higher, that one.
Look,
top heavy.
that looks like it's already fell off as well.
Yeah. Can't go any lower or we'll cut the virgin box. Feet. You need to get out boots or wellies on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's wobbling the one too much for us to get out of the breaker. That's it. That took us about an hour that. It didn't put up much of a fight. So, yeah. So now, just got a bit of patching there to do there. And then we'll put a couple of bluebirds in there to tie them together. Might just put one into here as well, just to give it a bit of strength. It's only going to be a low single wall. And then quick brew and over here. And this afternoon we can go and get all the materials organised. Check back in a minute. Excuse the wind again, but this is at the back of the house. On one of the walls with the pillars, this is the back of the house. This is an extension we did, must be 4 years ago now. This is the first place where Alex came to work with me. This little extension. We've got a good brick match on the house, but ends up the bricks on the house were that bad they rendered the house, but left our extension. So that was a nice little job. Special on this, Alex's first day out of work with me. And they were going to 3 points, but the brickwork was that bad they rendered it. So the next one. Number 2. Give that a shake again.
It's getting there.
Yeah. See what we'll do. I'll grind the bottom of this pillar out.
Yeah.
You can start taking it down. Get the little breaker. Work on that. I'll work on this one. Once that's out of the way, it'll all just fall over. Okay.
What?
We did that a couple of smacks.
What am I doing?
Smack that pillar
This way.
away from the car. Oh, bloody hell, I can't remember when he bought it then.
Is there a steel in the middle of this?
No steel in it. Yes, there is. Right, that can stay there.
Yeah.
Just put it up to the fence. That can, we'll move that when we get the skip. Right, let's get this one done now. Let's move all that gear.
The walls come off finally.
Oh yeah. Beautiful job. What do you think? Yeah. So let's lower it down so we don't smash the pavement. You grab your side.
This bit's a bit difficult.
That one put up less of a fight than the last one. Right, let's get it cleared up. Let's get the bully out, just to take this down to ground level. Obviously there's a post there and there's concrete around it, so that's fine for building a little pillar on. I'll get that broken out. That's not too bad. We'll have to see what we get on with that. Well, Alex gets all that cleared up. That's it, that's both down now. All down just below ground level. Obviously the street slopes, so that's going to be 1.5 pillar. We're just going to clean that out, wet up a bit and put a bit of post mix in there so we can work off it. Same there, level that up with a bit of post mix. Now that's going to be a 9-inch pillar, 1 brick. The reason being we can't get a 1.5 in there. This one's going to be 1.5. All ready to go. Looks a bit wonky that bottom bit, so I might be doing a bit of cutting to level that up. I might just dig that out a little bit and put a return on that, just to give it a bit of strength. And we ordered the skip today, so we're pushing our luck. So that's all ready to go in the skip when that arrives. So we're off back to another job tomorrow, back here Thursday. That's us back in the van now. Took us about 4 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. First one was a doddle, second one put a bit more of a fight. So we're just going to have some dinner now and go and organise some materials. So I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell other people to watch the channel. You never know, they might like it. And don't forget, down in the descriptions you've got our affiliate links to Amazon. So any tools that we use, we put a link to them or similar to them there. And then if you go onto our links and buy through Amazon, then we'll get a small commission off them, but it won't cost you anything extra on what you're buying. So that's it for now. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Yep. Yeah. 54. 56. 58. 60. 62.
Wait, hold on. Okay.
64. 66. 68. 70. 62.
Tell you what, we've gone about stacking these all wrong.
Why?
Can't just pick them up.
No.
Just put them in the barrow, I suppose.
What's this way? I didn't stack any.
You stacked the first bit.
Right, let's go. So that's what, 180, and then that's,
Go on, mate.
we're picking them up.